What up, everybody? Happy New Year. Real quick, just washed the car up. Wow, right? Hit it with that there pressure washer. Foamed it up real good, made it real nice, like, you heard me? Tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, I'm recording this now because I know in the morning it's gonna be dark. But in the morning, we are going to a sunrise at the beach meet in San Francisco. Meeting up with a few people in the morning, leaving at like 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning. A little too early for me, but you know, we gonna get it done. So yeah, just recording this now so y'all can see me. And yeah, I'll get with y'all in the morning. You dig what I'm saying? Look at all the ice. It's crazy. All the ice in the vent. Look at this. Also, I did something kind of cool. Y'all might think it's lame, but look at my interior lights. Orange. I thought it was cool. Whatever. Let me warm this up because it's gonna take a while for everything to thaw out. Meeting. Jeez. Whew. Looked like the car doing a burnout. Damn, did it got colder. Sheesh. All right, we out. All right, we here. We here. Little man just showed up, Anthony. Elvin with the... Mike is on the way. He said he was 18 minutes ago. He said he was 18 minutes away about 4 minutes ago. So, we can wait. All right. He on CP time. Yeah. He's still on CP. I mean, he did have to wait for his car to thaw out. I did too. I had to let my shit.
I got wet in the morning.
Man. Yeah, that's the one right there. That's 1,000 horsepower right there. Yeah, man. Man, shout out to YouTube, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Instagram and all that stuff.
It's King 50. That's my shit right there.
Right there.
My bucket ass shit.
Making all that noise pulling up in here.
Illinois.
It sound good though.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
It wasn't always that
I'm
loud.
gonna race him, huh?
It wasn't always that loud.
It wasn't?
No. Bill engine got me fucking...
What you got done to the engine?
Well, it is a stroker, heads cam intake, 170 heads, track heat, just a basic trick flow off the shelf thing with an Anderson cam.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. Yeah. This is cousin, aka I call him the hype man.
Hey man, you already know.
This
That's
man got
Don King right there.
Well, he got all the positive energy. You need one like this in your corner right here.
Come on, man. I make the sunrise. Sunrise right now.
The sun rising because of him.
And they were like, yeah, everybody needs something like that in their under corner.
Man,
like,
definitely, man. Is that powder coat?
Yep.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Appreciate you.
Oh yeah. Like a brand new motor in there. He put the strobe on your hand.
Right.
That look damn good.
Yeah. That's what I'm working with right now.
That's VO Rick's garage, huh?
Yep.
That's VO Rick.
I was gonna vlog today about my people I date.
You should have. Look who shows up late to the party. This dude. Don't even get out the car. We out? What? I said, don't even get out the car. Oh, he got a laptop. Oh, he about to put that spicy tune in here. On the spicy tune on the go. We out? Yeah, we out. Ready? Who leading the way? God that I wouldn't have to go up any hills in San Francisco because my e-brake is broken, and I really don't need anybody. Anthony's behind me. I just called him and told him don't get too close to me on these hills because my e-brake broke, and I don't want to roll back and hit nobody. You hear me? So I'll run one of these lights before I stop at one. I forgot about San Francisco and all these damn hills. Golly. Definitely should have got here earlier. It's hella people here. Golly. Give y'all a look. I see some supercars too. It's crazy. Damn. No, that ain't him. Oh, there go your twin.
I'm about to go lick it.
I just have the wall.
Gotta be careful with that. You get put on that list.
See that meme or that video? It's some motherfucking rainbow.
Yeah.
Motherfucking rainbow,
Excuse me. See, he had the right idea. Donuts. Are those free? Grab a donut?
Sure.
What is happening?
Oh,
Alright,
it's
so this person who hosts this, he does it like once a month. Usually once a month. Like on that particular Saturday.
It's a car gathering.
But what, like a specific kind of car? Or like
Everything.
you like, what's going on?
just people in
I'm glad you
cars?
found a parking space.
Me too.
Yeah.
It felt a little bit miraculous.
Yeah, no, because otherwise there's nobody here. It's rained for the past month, so everyone's gonna have their car and all that.
Man, I still want some of these originals. Z06 rims, man, but I like rims that got lips. That'll look good, man, on my car. Let me know what y'all think.
You gonna wear it at work?
Man, this GT clean, man. I had a 97.
Move your hands. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you want, huh?
Right there.
They respond real well to bolt-ons. Damn, I just got a hot spot. Was that car exhaust? Got warm right there. Felt good.
I felt something like that too. When I was at a concert, everybody got up to 40. So mad.
Like this rap, right?
Oh no, this is clean as fuck. Hey, look at this. That actually had a car shop. That's just clean as fuck.
Oh yeah? Damn, I like the seats in that mug.
Yeah, I think the sound system in that's just clean as fuck inside.
Wow.
You see that? That's fake.
I guess we kind of caught sunrise.
Yeah. Have you seen the cave? That's
Ooh, slammed it. Ooh. Man, this thing is cool. Hey, this kind of dope. Hell yeah.
You raise the engine.
That's crazy.
That's what these are, right? 620. Datsun. Raise the engine.
So you
Love
get,
these big trucks.
yeah, I do too.
All those
The way my back and hip set up, I couldn't own that. Corvette low enough for me already. Let's see this Lamborghini. Oh, excuse me. What is this over here with the headlight delete?
There's one left. There's one left, man. No, actually, it's mine.
I don't eat chocolate. I like this. This is cool as hell. It's dope. Yeah, that's clean. I want to look at his interior. Let's get a look at this interior.
Yeah, he did it on this one. Oh, no, he didn't. No, but he did it on this. I got a sticker that I'm supposed to put on there. I ain't put on there yet.
Nice.
What is in here? Also, this is Subaru in the Beetle.
Oh, he did the Subaru, the like the STI swap.
There's a Subaru engine in here.
I heard they make kits. It's an easy swap too.
What is it? All
Somebody
wheel
dropped
drive?
there. I doubt it. That would be crazy.
It would be. Well, I can still do it. You don't know if you're gonna go that way either? Your face is
What time do you have to be at work? Oh, sorry. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't know why he's calling so early. He has a point. It's like,
Oh my God.
so.
Yo, those are two turbos right there.
I don't know.
Never seen that quite like that. Wait.
Send him back. Different. Send it back to the manufacturer? I wonder if my wheels right. I got a curb on one of them, so.
It's like a spaceship in here.
it'll look different, you know.
Yeah.
So these I had this. We need OEM content.
That's wild. That's some shit I play on. I buy on Forza. Good God. That's some shit I get on Forza. That's
Send a GTR.
that's extreme.
That's like a $1.5 million car right there.
I don't want to touch it.
was like, yeah, we were thinking about.
Oh, look at this.
I'll go to the five.
Man, this is clean as hell.
I've never seen one.
My God, this is clean.
This is a 510.
Yeah. Oh my God. Not the wood. The wood in the back. This clean as hell.
Yeah.
Wow. That paint too. I like that brown.
Color.
Man.
No, just in the camera.
So just what you take in the photo.
It's like a
Let's see what's in the inside.
fine, fine. Oh, the Wagoneer. Dope.
Hold my hand and shit.
Is that like a, see this heat sink looking thing?
Turbo.
No, that. Like, is that like a some kind of cooler?
I think you're supposed to like help.
Well, it looks like a heat sink.
Okay, yeah.
Capacitor.
It looks like a heat
Yeah,
sink.
looks like a heat sink. That's miles right there.
Oh, it's a work strip.
Hey,
It's a
they
street-
right
it's a
there,
street legal
bro,
thing.
bro.
Oh, okay.
This company here, work. They're at a.
Where the motor at? Yeah. Ew. Alright, that's enough. I don't even want to get too close to this damn car. Look how extreme this body kit is. Eesh. That's a wrap too. Look kind of, look good.
He molded the fenders to the bumper,
Oh shit.
or maybe it's just wrap.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it is.
But it looked.
I'm about to roll out, but I gotta get this Beetle, man. This Volkswagen Beetle, clean as hell. Ooh, Z06. Let me get these Cobras real quick too. First the Z06. These Cobras. But look at this beauty right here. This is dope. I like that.
There's a lot to it.
It makes the front end more rigid.
Copyright.
I don't like.
That's clean. Damn.
I don't like Novas though, but
The supercharged Allura. It's another car I get on Forza. Nice. Damn, look at that somebody walking a bear.
It's a beautiful dog.
Man, now that's real big shit right there. Hey, girl. All right, I think we're gonna call it a. Ooh, look at that one. Was that paint?
Wrap.
Damn. That's crazy. Everybody asks me, is that a paint or is that wrap? I'm like, it's paint. But now I see.
But
I
see
thought all
some-
wraps were more like a dull. All right, so we out, man. This is kind of dope.